In this video, we will create a resume using mobile phone in different formats. So let's start. So open a Play Store application. Now search here Resume Builder app. So download this application. I have already installed, so I will open it. Now click on Create. Click here. Now click on Create New CV. Now we will fill all the detail one by one. So click on Personal Details. So put your name, address, email, contact number and picture here. Select picture from your mobile phone. Now arrange it. Now click on Save. Now click on Education and add education here. You can also check example from here. So enter your education details here. Click on Add to add more education. So in the same way, fill all educational detail here. After completing education, click on Save. Now click on Experience. Now type your company name, your job title and duration here. Mention your main duties here. You can also take a help from Google. Open a Google and type here computer operator duties and responsibilities. We take computer operator as just for example as our job title. So copy a text from here. Now paste it here. In a black line, more option is available. For example, we can bold, italic, justify and give a bullets to our text. In the same way, add your another experience. Now click on skills. Add your skills here. Now click on objective. You can write your objective here. Or you can also click on select objective. So I will take objective from here. Now click on references. And add references here. Click on add more section to add more section here. For example, I add languages here. Now add languages here. So I have add all the details. Now click on view CV. Now click here. Select format as you want. For example, I select this one. So you can see our CV is generated. Now for download, click on download. If you want, you can choose another format. So click on format. So you can select format of your choice. So in this way, you can build your resume in your mobile phone. Thanks for watching.